Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use RealtyMogul for real estate crowdfunding. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using RealtyMogul, navigate to the RealtyMogul website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up button. Click on Sign Up to create your account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. After completing the form, check your email for a verification message. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the RealtyMogul website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. To find investment opportunities, click on the Invest tab in the main menu. Browse through the available properties listed for crowdfunding. Each property will have detailed information, including images, financial projections, and investment terms. Click on a property you're interested in to see more details. Review the investment summary to understand potential returns and risks. If you decide to invest, click on the Invest Now button. Enter the amount you wish to invest in the specified field. Review the investment terms and confirm your investment. Once confirmed, proceed to the payment section. Choose your payment method and enter the necessary financial information. Complete the transaction by following the prompts. After your investment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. To monitor your investments, return to the dashboard. Click on the My Investments tab to track the performance of your assets. Utilize resources in the Learning Center if you need further guidance. Explore webinars and articles for deeper insights into real estate crowdfunding. Engage with community forums for discussions with other investors. Regularly check for new investment opportunities as they become available. Stay updated on marketplace trends and property details via the RealtyMogul blog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.